Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto lando chenro mar ywayo apaya ma Nairobi Nakuru Mau Summit mondo mi ochope e tong' ma Malaba. Koloso Nakuru e chak limbe mare mandala dek, Ruto kone odokne yo ma sirikal oketo loso apaya no ka okalo kete lwete jakit mwandu mondo mi okony neno ni gedo mare ok obedo gi pek. Wacho ni apaya no biro yawo thuolo mar ohala e gwenge mag Imbo mar Kenya. Bende omedo siro chenro mag pidho yien e thur kae.
To restore the Mau.
Your Excellency, la kwanza ni kushukuru na chakula. Unaweza tupea assignment.
This integrated conservation and livelihood program yenye umetuletea na asanti Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kushikilia, that has been launched today, breathes a new life into this shared vision, and it ensures that conservation is not exclusion but inclusion, not punishment but opportunity.
Hiyo barabara ya dualing tunaanzisha mwezi ujao, na tunaanzisha mwezi ujao kwa sababu tumeweka mpango maalum ambayo inaleta private sector katika ujenzi wa barabara. Kwa hivyo we have to think outside the box if we have to build enough roads in the Republic of Kenya. We are putting together a consortium including National Youth Service to work with Kenya Forest Service so that we can re-establish 300 nurseries around Kenya and 17 mega nurseries so that we can generate 1 billion trees every year or 1 billion seedlings every year for plantations around Kenya. Pale nyuma tulikuwa na matatizo, wananchi wanataka kupanda lakini hakuna miche ama hakuna seedlings ya kutosha.